Most sound ignorant. But yo, I mean, if you don't want to be, they don't know. If me sing, at the first song, me sing, when me depend. Because them are going like they're not hungry before. That is my song. That is my song. Me play that song the whole heap of time. Whole heap of time. So I can't say me bad mind. Why me I go bad? What me bad mind for? Me have my own lane and my own. What me a bad mind for, brother? Remember me there do it in the Masicka never bust when him diss me? So me bad mind, a fucking fool. Oh, so fool. You're so stupid. Me for bad man an artist when never bust it. Come on, man. Come on. Come on. The man, yo, you go check it. All I know, go check it and see the facts. Go check it. Go type Masicka. This Demarco ER. That is before even the interview with Winford. Him diss me and I say, yo, me a clown. I'm a ear color or clown no fear run dancehall. And that year there was a great year for me. Yo, whole heap of hit song me get. Yo, me win all Irama award over the Dan Kartel. All Irama me win. All of them thing there. So I was that person at that time. So the man just did it and I tried to reach on to the person where I run the thing. You see me? All sting. Uno didn't know say yo. Uno didn't know say Masicka make me get locked up. Police come for me and me after blowout sting. And me there police station when him asleep in a famous. Cause them a tell lie for me say, yo, me fire shot a sting, a mash up sting. You know, so me police come for. Me there police station the whole day. Till them, a Portmore till them carry me go a Spanish town for swab my hand for gunpowder. Eh? Come on, man. Yo, half of the story, yo, uno no know this. Uno no know what go on, you know. Uno don't know what go on. This little youth is a troublemaker and him for stop. Him try out for everybody and him need for stop, yo. Him need for stop. You're a great artist, you. Just go and do your artist thing and stop try for this artist, dog. Stop it, dog. Go on where you go, Massy. Stop it. Massy, don't do it, bro. Massy. Me there station when you're there in your house. You see me? Me there station after yo. Alright. Because of Batman perform pan Sting and mash up Sting. Him want jump, him want come on the stage for clash me. And my friend, me them know what I go and my friend them there around there say, yo, want to know. No more for me say, you know. Yo, him can't get on the stage. So him got on the stage after me done sing. A Sting. 2014. The whole of the man set was a Demarco set. Because every song, a Demarco name. Every song the man sing, I'm a name tonight. Every song. So I go so bam, I not pay him no mind. I go so bam and come off of the stage. I go backstage and I do my interview with Winford again. And them time my mother drop out. Mother drop out about 2 weeks before, prior to Sting. You see me? Sing Falling Soldier up on the stage. Yo, my ball, I want to come out of my eye. Bag of sitting. You see me? Come off of the stage, match up the stage, and I feel good. I say, yeah. Ray. Do my interview. Then I go so bam and left from Winford and go over one part and we stand up and I say, yo, DJ, yo, performance mad, the thing mad. You see me? So him come now and I do film interview now with Winford. And then now after I'm doing interview now, me see him come below them, him friend them, come stand up, come post up nearish by me there. So in my mind now, me just say, yo, the youth keep on just dead and just nah stop. Him nah stop. The youth nah stop. So me step off left all my friend them because them don't even know when me step off. I'm step off left my friend them and I go over there, which part full of him friend them there and say, pussy, What y'all call up my name for? What y'all call up my name for, my youth? Might as God live it for my pitney them, God can take me and my pitney them. Everybody when me love, God can take them. Everybody when me love. Yo, you know when Masicka look at me and say, the man said, dog, so you don't think someone want rich like uno too? My youth. Yo, the man say, you think someone want rich like uno too? I'm say DJ, so a musical thing. The man say, yeah, dog, I'm going to bam. Yo, all come, him talk piece of it in the newspaper. Because I'm going to tell the newspaper, say, me are the aggressor, you know. So the man goes, bam. I'm going to give him a lion paw, you know. Lion paw, and go say, yo, big up yourself then. And then when I mute them, when I do that, when I mute them, say, yo, I'm to some pussy, yo, we bust out boy face. I say, what you mean? And I saw my friend them here now and starts and step over. And I say, pussy, I want to deal with. And be a toss man a talk. And then a man say, yo, DJ, yo, all when shot fire, you know, a sting, you know. Me don't know who, you know. Because me never dead, you know, because the man them say, yo, DJ, load this. And put me in my car and me and my woman drive gone. Drive gone and gone home. Tell them they are port home. Drive and gone home. Then, yo, me here say, yo, be a man a run up and down. And be a big stone a fling and one shot fire or something go on. And be a sitting go on. So the man them call me. Tell them they are Caribbean estate. The man them call me and I say, yo, one of the alright, go to the gas station. And I left out back out of my yard. To go buy the man them breakfast and bag of thing and we did a rap and a talk. We did a talk and then me see two Jeep pull up in a gas station and say, yo, are you welcome fine? You will come fine. Yo, station. Me I say, what go on? Yo, station. You say, are you fire shot and mash up sting? Come in. And man him carry me go 100-man police station. And from I'm dead the whole day. Yo, that youth make me get all fingerprint in a system when me never want. And Tommy Lee, me say Tommy Lee there, I say, yo, Demarco, man, mash up sting. Then time them there for their sting. Me there me yard. Me there me yard. Someone know, yo, so, yo, dog, you don't know half of this thing, and this youth is a troublemaker, yeah? This youth is a troublemaker. So, yo, Massey, leave me alone now, yeah? Yo, you have your career and you go on with the thing. Go on with the thing. Do your music. You see me? Don't do that again. Don't do that again, sir. Okay? Because when you can fly, when you can fly more than my roadie, when you can fly more than my road manager, you know what I mean? His name is Kevin Blue Sky. He has more stamps in his book than you. When that can go on, you can talk to me. So when a lizard on one bag of lizard, you know go on and go with a lizard. One side, every side, yo, landslide, yo, any side. You see me? Any side you sleep on last night, sleep on it tomorrow. Any side. And well, one side, two side, three side. Left side. Yo, you don't want to stop discredit. How the fuck me I discredit the man when me done say the youth bad? How me can discredit somebody when me say the youth bad? I advise me, I say, yo, stop fucking trouble artists and do your song them. You're not bad. You're not bad already. What the fuck you need for a bad artist for? No, yes, the governor shot the place. You want trouble governor. Move your blood clot and go do your song them and stop bumbuckler trouble people. I want to you. You see bumbuckler. Yo, Kartel gear your bumbuckler. I want big strength. Big strength the man gear. I know you come and go and like say you want to come overthrow the man. Oh, you don't see you get put to the wayside. Eh? You don't see you come like round about a bayside. Eh? What the fuck do you, my youth? But one side. Nobody I must say, yo, Gaza genocide. No, on one side. Move your blood clot. You're not loyal. You're not loyal. Of course, me do collaboration with Addy. How you mean? So me no respect Addy for that. How? You never see me at this Addy? Why me I got this Vybz Kartel? Vybz Kartel give me a strength. Why me I got this him? Why me I got this Vybz Kartel now? Why me I got come out? Why me I got come out now and say, oh I'm to you, yo, I'm Kartel no better than me. I thought him say all of these things. Why me I go do that? Why? Why? You know, the man put out a big press release. Oh, I'm tell you, yo, I no Kartel do nothing for you, the rare. Him never need this, him never need. That song they do wonders for your career. Wonders. Wonders. Only now this Kartel. Only now this Kartel. Why not this Kartel? Why not over Kartel page of this Kartel? And him this Kartel. My dog them have to live a big highlight them Kartel give the man. And the man goes so bam and switch up. True because Kartel goes so bam and start link with 6 and start the song with them. Like so what, bro? It's music, yo. Music they have to share. It's a pie, share with everybody. So what if him do song with them youth over here and them youth over here so? What is it? It's no problem. Me no feel no way. Me and Kartel do 2 songs. Google and Miracle. Me build the rhythm for Miracle. And me feature upon the Google song. And what? Me no feel no way. Kartel go do song with Masicka, everybody else and Ray and do. What am I do? Me no feel no way for what? I'm grateful too. Well, I'm grateful. My plate full. Come on. Come on. So, yo. I that me I telling you, you know. So now me do that song, you know.